Hi, you guys. So today I'm gonna be making slime all by myself. I've already started to put the glue in. So let's go ahead and put this in, and then I want to show you what it does, what it can do. Not just what it does, what it can do. Wait, I'm gonna put some more of this in because I added a lot of that in. Okay, that's way too much. Maybe I can split it in half, and then I can show you what the other half does. If I can even do it for that long. Which anyways, I think I can. I might find something here that I can do it too. So now let's start to mix it up. Okay, this batch is already starting to come up. So yeah, there's a lot more of this than I thought there would be. So yeah. I might go in with my hands here in just a second. I might just try to. This is like, okay, that's like a big glob. Okay, now let's go ahead and start stirring it up again. I don't know how this time it's gonna work out. Okay, if Lisa was here, then she could help me a little bit. Ah! Okay, so I think I might actually be ready to go. Never mind. Well, that I did that first, because that would have been bad if I just went in and I didn't even know what I was doing. So let's put like a teeny bit, like a little tad. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, this just looks so bad now. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my hands. With my hand, because I don't want to get my other one messy and then not be able to like pour more glue in or more of this in to make it less sticky or more not sticky. This feels so weird, you guys. Okay, stop. This might not be good, you guys. Right after this, I'm taking a shower. Okay. I don't know about this. Oh, crap, I don't want to do that. But I really do want to do that. Okay, I'm just going to go in. I used to be like the pro at making slime. And now I'm just like, wow. Hey, you guys. Hi.
Hadley, I got it.
Where is it? I'll be right back. Where is it? Okay, so half my family just burned in. What the heck, you guys? How about I got a little on the floor? So. Yeah, that's not gonna work. This is gonna be like. Just keep on playing with it, because, I mean, it's not going to get any better. Okay, so the reason that Lisa's not here is because she has to watch my little sister, Reagan. So that's why. Okay, I'm gonna add some more of this magical liquid in, but I can't. Okay, you guys, this is not gonna work. This is like so. Guys, this is gonna be super hard. I can't do this. I wish Lisa were here. I wish Lisa was here. Okay, so I get this hand. No, I just need to get. Okay, you guys, I could have just like took that in, but never mind. And it's okay if this gets dirty, because I mean it's gonna get dirty anyways. Dad out there, like, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, you guys. I'm actually really scared to see. Okay, so I'm just gonna work with this bunch of slime. Hold on. Hold up. I need to put this batch of slime in there. Okay. I'm just gonna work with this little bit, and then I'll keep on, and then I'll add a little bit more to this one, and then we'll keep on going with that. Okay. So, do this. Oh wait, did I say that my name's Hadley? Well, I don't know, but my name's Hadley. If I even told you guys at the beginning, I forget really easily. I don't know why, it's just, I forget, unless they're like really important things, then I don't forget. Okay, yeah, this is like really cool. Okay, I'm gonna... Make sure the thing over here. Look at the mirror. And now we're
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I'm adding a little bit back in. I don't know how this is gonna go now. Ooh, let's go. Okay, so. I went too fast, probably. Oh, good. This is like all gooey. Ew. This is good slime, you guys. I feel like this is gonna be, I have a good feeling about this. I don't know why, but I just have a good feeling. I feel like I should have a bad feeling, but I don't. I don't know why. Okay. You can take this to school and then clean out your desk with it. We're making cleaning slime now, you guys. That's exactly what I was going to tell you guys. But, oh well. There is that surprise. I can't keep a surprise in for that long. That's my record. 13 minutes. This is so cool. I love this. I love this slime. Okay, that was a cute picture. I like that. Okay, let's move on to the slime. Whoa. Oh, it doesn't really pick up anything. Oh, and slime does wash out of your clothes. So that is good. We have discovered that. Because it got in my clothes so many times. Whoa, and we just washed my clothes and it came right out. So I really have a good feeling about this now. So even if I get it like anywhere else, I still have it somewhere on the floor. Okay, I'm taking almost the rest of the slime. There's just a little teensy bit more on the spin, and I'm gonna get that here in a second. love my slime. This is just such good slime. Wait, hold on. The rest of this. Okay, we got the rest off the spoon. So let's see how this is going to turn out. You guys, I'm scared, but also I'm super excited. Ooh. We don't need to do any other tests because, I mean, this isn't really that kind of slime. It doesn't really matter, so we just like... Okay. So you guys, I want to show you something. Do you see the sparkles? There's like a little bit of like sparkles there. Wow. Because I have had a runny nose lately. So. All you have to do is play. Okay, I have that song stuck in my head right now. All I want for Christmas is you. Cause you want to know. Okay, I'm stupid. I don't know why I'm doing TikTok dances now. If you guys know what TikTok is, then if you guys don't know what TikTok is, then go ahead and load that app. It might have a few bad words in it, like it might have a few curse words in it, but it's fine. Unless your parents say that it's not, it's fine. I have it on my tablet, and my parents say it's okay. But if I hear one with one in it, then I can just skip it. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I love this slime. Ah! Okay, I think this is my new. Okay, I love this color, and it's super pretty, actually. So, I think I'm in love with this. I think this is the new slime that I'm in love with. But I don't know if it washes out of hair, so... Yeah. Hold on, let me do the slime test, just in case I need to. Or just in case I want to play with it. Okay, you ready? Whoop, woo! That's good slime! Okay, listen to all the bubbles. Hold on, let me do this. I'm looking for Mr. Bubblegum. Hey, I wanna dance, oh, cause he's so pretty. Okay, now let's see all the bubbles in this. Here's another one. Okay, I love this slime. You guys, bye. I'm just kidding. So, I'm going to do Lisa's part, and I'll go like, and then I'll say it whenever it's Lisa's part. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell, and make sure you turn on notifications. See you all next time. Bye. Peace.